This is the first yacht by Riva completely built in light aluminium alloy, as well as the largest yacht in the world ever produced by the historical Italian brand, an icon of the world yachting industry. It is 122 Mythos, Riva's new flagship, an over 35-ton aluminium construction of 37-metre overall length and 7.6-metre beam. The 122 Mythos is a 100% Riva model, as confirmed by its clean lines, a painstaking care for details, the selection of traditional and yet evergreen materials like steel, wood and leather, which give every Riva yacht a unique, timeless flair. The 122 Mythos, with its stunningly balanced and refined outer lines and essential interiors, is presented in regal silver colour, a brand new light grey hue specially designed for this model to further highlight its dynamic and sleek profile. Some bright black superstructure details provide additional contrast to the yacht's aesthetic presence and contribute to its uniquely sleek and elegant style.